Imagine navigating the vast universe of reference data with ease and precision. With CONNEXOR, you're in the cockpit, equipped with cutting-edge tools to manage the issuance and lifecycle of financial instruments seamlessly. How does CONNEXOR make it happen? Issuance enables straight-through issuance, reducing operational efforts for listed and non-listed products. Maintenance keeps corporate actions and lifecycle events up to date effortlessly. Data distribution delivers high-quality, real-time data to multiple recipients instantly. Powered by CONNEXOR, this platform processes over 1.5 million new products and manages 40+ million lifecycle events annually. With 90 issuers and 35 data consumers, CONNEXOR is transforming global data management. Launched by SIX in 2009, CONNEXOR standardizes product issuances, updates, and lifecycle events, connecting issuers with exchanges, CSDs, and vendors to deliver high-quality reference data seamlessly. As your trusted source for issuer-generated reference data, CONNEXOR automates workflows, enhances data quality, and optimizes distribution to all relevant interfaces. You send one file, we handle the rest. Looking ahead, CONNEXOR continues to innovate with new services like automated payment instructions, blockchain integration, and expanded asset classes, pushing your data operations to the next frontier. Step into the CONNEXOR cockpit and command your journey through the reference data universe with precision, speed, and efficiency. CONNEXOR by SIX, your cockpit for managing reference data with precision, speed, and reliability.